What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a super easy recipe today, possibly one of the easiest recipes we've ever made. We're going to make some egg noodles and broccoli, and we're going to put some olive oil, some garlic salt, make it really delicious. It's going to be super simple and fast, so let's get right to work. Okay, so let's go over our ingredients really quickly. This is really simple, perfect recipe for a quick lunch. I have a half a bag of white egg noodles. These are semolina noodles. They don't have a lot of ingredients. Very short ingredient list on these noodles. This is, I believe, Members Mark, which is the Sam's Club brand. They're pretty good, simple to make. I have 2 tomatoes. I have half an onion, half a red onion, olive oil, about 2 cups of broccoli flowerets. I'll be using garlic salt. This is Lawry's, and smoked paprika. This is hot smoked paprika, and this is a brand that I buy, I think, like at TJ Maxx. So it's really good. It's a little bit spicy. It has a great flavor, a nice smoky paprika flavor. Really like this stuff. So first thing we're gonna do is get our noodles over to our boiling water and get them cooking. Usually I cook these about 7 to 8 minutes. Let me see what it says on the, yep, 7 to 8 minutes on the bag. So we'll get them right over and we'll start cutting up our veggies. All right, so we're gonna start with our broccoli first. Nothing fancy. Just take the broccoli, break it down to small little flowerets, like bite-sized pieces with your hands. You could use a knife too, but with your hands you could do it pretty easily. Just break them all down, so that way it spreads with the noodles better. You get it smaller bites. I even use the stems. I don't waste anything with my cooking. So just like that. And while we're doing this, our pasta is getting ready. I'm gonna set them aside and now cut the rest. Okay, so with the tomato, I just gonna cut it, gonna dice it. With the pear tomatoes, I cut it into 4, like 4 wedges, like so, and then just dice them. Now with the onion, I'm actually only going to use probably 1/4 of an onion, which is half of this half, and I'm just going to dice it really fine. Just like that. And we're going to go over it one more time just to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to take that, and because they cook together, I'm going to put both in the same bowl, and the broccoli will come after them, so I'll set them apart. We'll go check on our pasta and go ahead and get our saute pan started with the hot olive oil. Alright, so in a hot pan we're going to drop some olive oil, about 1.5 tablespoons or so. Maybe about 1 tablespoon. And we're going to go ahead and drop our onion and tomato. And the juice from the sauteed tomatoes and onion is gonna kind of like mix into almost like a sauce. It's gonna give it some beautiful taste and also color. Okay, so once we get the onions nice and softened up and we get a little bit of a crust on the bottom of the pan, we're gonna go ahead and add our broccoli in. Toss it around, get it softened up a bit. So I'm going to take a little bit of that pasta water, probably about a quarter of a cup or so, and I'm going to add it right back in. That's going to help us to get the font off the bottom of the pan, and also to create almost like a light sauce. If I had white cooking wine, you could add to this. It would make it really, really nice, add some nice flavor, but I didn't have any white cooking wine, so I'm going to go without. Okay, now that the broccoli softened up a little bit, we're going to go ahead and throw our noodles in and finish mixing it up. And we're going to hit it with some garlic salt and some smoked paprika and keep stirring it. Okay, so we're going to do about 1 more tablespoon of olive oil. About a half a tablespoon or so of smoked paprika. That was the end of that. That's me, so I love that stuff. And then about maybe a half a tablespoon or so of garlic. And this garlic's also got parsley in it, so it adds a little bit of flavor and color. I'm going to bring down the heat a little bit so my noodles don't stick, medium low. This is just to finish stirring everything in. It smells amazing. Wow. Really colorful, smells really good. So simple. So there it is. There's our egg noodles and pasta. I'm going to go ahead and serve it and give it a taste for you guys, let you know how it came out. Alright guys, so there we have it. There's the beautiful egg noodles and broccoli recipe. Super simple, and you could certainly add some vegan cheese to this and keep it fully vegan, or you can add some pecorino romano, which is what I have on hand. I'm going to go ahead and add some over the top of it, and that's basically it. Look how beautiful that looks with all that color. Smoked paprika is going to be nice and smoky. Absolutely beautiful, super simple and affordable dish. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. It smells amazing. The color's beautiful. Let you know how it tastes. You just can't beat garlic and olive oil. Really delicious. The broccoli is still crunchy. The tomato give it a little bit of extra flavor. The cheese is nice, adding a little bit of saltiness and umami. So For such a simple recipe, this is really, really good. I encourage you guys to give it a try.